open it for me.
Here, you want me to help you? Here, Sophie. That's the cool thing, though, about having kids. You can just make them open their... They can open all your stuff. You don't even have to open anything for the holidays anymore.
Ellen, uh-oh. I thought it was breaking news.
There you go. You open it up and give it to Daddy.
Oh, what is this?
Open it up. You gotta give it to Daddy.
Oh!
Say, look, Daddy, games.
Whoa!
Go give those games to Daddy.
Let me see.
Daddy.
Games for Daddy. Another game. Oh, I got more games.
Well, just
Whoa! Is that Daddy Balloon?
That's cute, huh?
Thanks, guys.
It's just silly. You're welcome. This is just a silly bag, so you're gonna find silly things.
What else Daddy got in the bag?
Sophie, you want to show me what's in here?
What?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
There's some fun stuff.
What is it?
Wow.
Those are
Those
nerds.
are for me.
Daddy likes nerds.
You like nerds?
Hey, Daddy has more stuff.
What
you
else
need to
do I
show him.
got?
Here, give this to Daddy. Ooh, I saw these. I was like, ooh, I wonder what those taste like.
Fun stuff to fill
Whoa!
up the bag.
This stuff for me?
Wow, look at this.
Wow! Those are Daddy's favorite. Can I have it? Thank you.
You like to eat wax, Sophie?
What else? More!
Wow.
Hey,
You gotta give Daddy the big on the bottom.
what color is this? What's that? What color? Hey, give me that.
I want it.
You can have some after.
Gotta give Daddy the last one, Sophie.
What else is in there?
Here, give that to Daddy. Pick it up and
Pick
give it
up
to
the whole
Daddy.
package. The paper too. 2 hands.
Wow!
Sweet. Happy birthday, 30-year-old boy.
I know.
My boy is 30.
That's too old.
How do you feel? 30?
70? Sweet, thanks for these. This is cool.
You're welcome. I didn't know what. Well, that's Dad's. That's not Grandma's. I was like, I want to psych them out and put them in a big bag. I was trying to find a big box to put it in. Put it in your cup.
Sophie,
Can you
what's
sing-
all these
Sophie, your cup's right here.
Can you sing happy birthday to Daddy?
You gotta sing happy birthday.
You have to sing it.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Sing to
Happy
Dad.
birthday to you.
Come here.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Can I have a birthday kiss?
Yay! What a good girl.
Good job, so.
Say
Daddy's
bye.
having a birthday.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Mm.